make your own snow. Over the river and through the woods to Grandma's house we go. We made our own snow. We're gonna show you how to make it so you can play too. To make your own snow, you'll need some baking soda. You need 2 cups, and then you just pour it into a pan or a bowl. Then you can add some glitter to make sparkly snow. And just sprinkle the glitter all over. And next, you'll need some hair conditioner. You're gonna want to squirt it in. It's so goopy. Next, you're gonna want to mix it. It smells very good because we added the conditioner. The conditioner makes the baking soda stick together. It's also sticking to the spoon. It might be better to just use our hands. Time to get messy. I'm ready. It's so snowy. It's so squishy. It's snowing. If you want it stickier and clumpier, add more hair conditioner. Or you can use it nice and fine like a flurry snow. I'm gonna add more hair conditioner to make it clumpier. And I'm gonna try to make a snowman. That's a good idea. You might want to save some of the snow as flurry snow. It's so squishy. Ooh, and it's cold too. The snow feels cold because the conditioner's kind of wet. I have the bottom of our snowman. Let's make more. There's the middle. There's the top. You can also add some toys to play in your snow. This car is having a hard time driving because the streets are covered in snow. I made a snowy mountain. Let's make the tallest one yet. It's snowing on the snowy mountain. And that's it. That's how you make homemade snow. Touch here for more great videos. Come on, come play with us. Or touch here to subscribe.